The E3 Collection by Silent. Every day, everything, everywhere. We set out on an endeavor with this collection to protect people's privacy through our patented technology. Focuses on privacy, security, and health, creating beautiful products that you can carry every day that make your life a little or a lot better. This collection really turns up the volume on what everyday carry means to modern professionals. It stays true to Silent's core values of privacy, security, and health by embedding our patented Faraday technology. This is important because everything we carry, from our phones to our laptops, are inherently vulnerable to being hacked, tracked, and fried by EMF. Especially as the lines blur between personal and business, a larger global footprint grows with remote work. It's important that every individual has the opportunity to remain anonymous and have agency over their digital life. We feel like we've made the ultimate collection of everyday carry bags. Go check out the collection at slnt.com.
Go well, go silent.